Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is a new month, May the 1st. So, here we go. We got another special, I think it's an Amazon Prime unboxing. I'll have it corrected in the title and in the description box. So, check it out. And if you like this item, click the link down below. Add it to your cart. Check out fast so they can ship it off to you fast. This is another chair we have here. Not sure where this is coming from. We'll find out once we open it up inside. So, yep, it is Amazon. So, yeah, I just don't know what company, but we'll find out in a second. It's a mesh black office chair. So here we go, guys. Definitely excited for this one. We are working from home, so this is definitely a nice gift. Give somebody for like a housewarming gift, Mother's Day gift. I'm sure if you order it today, you probably get it shipped out just in time for Mother's Day. Father's Day is also coming, so always good to have a new office chair. There we go. Let's see what's inside. Oh boy, here we go. This should be fun. Oh, if I can only. There we go. Back up. This is what it looks like. Coming straight out of the box. That's supposed to be the seat. Yep. Yeah, see, we got the instructions right there. And we got here the back. Oh. Got the back part. Should be in the good support for your back. And we got something in here. Oh boy. Oh, okay. This is the bottom. This part. Oh boy. Here's the fun stuff. We got the lift or the jack to jack up the seat up and down. We got the tools. All you need is an Allen wrench and a bunch of tools right there, or a bunch of screws. Next, oh boy, it's a little different setup. We got one of these guys. Definitely need that. We got the armrest right here. We got the armrest right here, and the wheels. Boom. We got the pipes we need. And then the pump or the lift. That's what's inside this one. Keep that on the ground. So these are usually pretty easy to set up, but in case you're sending it to your older folks, they might need help. So I might give them a hand. So hopefully you guys are out of the stay home order. So, but there we go. So I'm gonna pause you guys because, like I said, it takes a few minutes, but I'll speed it up and just show you guys what it looks like at the end. Ready? Right back. Grab some popcorn. I'll be back. YouTube magic right now. Alrighty, YouTubers. This is what I got done so far. This part gave me a little trickery, but I'm okay now. I got it pretty much good. Gotta make sure there's what the distance is. At first I had it on top here and it was kept on swiveling, but it holds a good locking place right there. Pretty cool. In case you lose the instructions, you can always come back to this video. There you go. It's pretty simple though. Got the screws to match up. The Allen wrench, like I said, that's the most important one. There's the lift, pump, screws, the bolt. I'm gonna have to find out what that's for. And then the base and other goodies. So, but yeah, that's easy. That's good. Good. Alright guys, I'll be back with the finished product. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, the chair. Got it all installed. Really comfortable too. The only part on this one I had a little trouble with is the back. You gotta make sure you line it in the grooves and make sure you loosen these up, the armrests. Then you slide this top all the way down to the groove like right in here. And there's a couple screws. There's a screw here and a screw there. And all you gotta do is just loosen it up, slide it through, and get it even up with the edges, like so. But really comfortable. I'm not sure if I did this part right because it goes really high. I don't know how high it gets. Not sure if that's normal, but it's pretty cool for taller people, for all the basketball players out there. Look at that. It's really tall though. But it goes down, you can adjust it and everything, so, but, this is how it looks on the, compared to the mini guy over there. It's pretty crazy though. But like I said, it's super comfortable to sit in, once you drop it down to average your desk, kind of like that one over there. So I gotta clean up a little bit, but still the weekend, I got some time to kill. But like I said, all you gotta do is click on the link down below, add it to your cart, check out really fast, so they can ship this off to you fast. This would be a nice housewarming gift, birthday gift, gift to yourself. Really cool. And like I said, once I find the who it's from and everything, it's gonna be in the title. So, and the link will have it also. But I do believe this is like under 100, around 100, somewhere around there. But got a nice lumbar support right there in the back. But yeah, super soft, this chair. Good padding for your rear, especially the long hours. You guys been vlogging, blogging, YouTubing, twitching. But yeah, you guys pass it off as a gaming chair too. If you're on a budget for right now, this would be a nice one to get. But definitely that one I just did a video on, the leather executive chair. Really comfortable. You could fall asleep on that one. Reclines and everything. But this one right here, though, really nice. Yeah, check back the other videos. Probably 2 days ago. It's a Smug desk. But that's what it looks like right there. Back up a little bit more. Show the front a little bit more. But we'll jump on the side. It's hard to jump up and down on that, but for me, I'm not that tall. 5'11", so, but that's pretty high. I'm not sure if that's normal, but I think it's made for like taller people too, which is really good. Also, because not too many chairs are made comfort for taller people, but definitely they found one right here. Maybe a good barber chair, you know, something for your home, put your kids on it. But there you go. That's about it, YouTubers. Check them out. Link will be down below. Get this fast before they sell out. And you guys be safe. Have a good weekend. And hopefully I'll see you guys back tomorrow, which is Saturday. But this probably took me, I don't know, 20 minutes to install. Like I said, I just had trouble with the that back part, and that was pretty much it. But it comes with a little kickstand. You can rest your feet on it once you drop it down to your height level. But definitely take advantage of it right now, guys. You don't want to miss this one before they sell out. But I'll go on for a few more seconds at least. But nice made. There's a mesh. There you go. There's a seat cover. There's the bottom. That's what the bottom looks like. Pretty easy to install that. Right there. You can probably adjust the move it up or down, lower too, for your feet to rest. But really cool. So another gift idea and another gift for yourself idea. So alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good weekend, and see you guys soon.